Abraham Lincoln was born on February 12, 1809, in a humble log cabin in Hardin County, Kentucky. His parents, Thomas and Nancy Hanks Lincoln, were hard-working frontier farmers. Lincoln's early education was sparse and informal, limited to brief periods in local schools. Despite this, he developed a voracious appetite for reading and self-taught himself various subjects. In his youth, Lincoln worked various jobs to support his family, including splitting rails for fences and clerking in a store. These formative years instilled in him a strong work ethic. Lincoln's interest in politics began to grow as he became inspired by the ideals of the American founding fathers. He avidly read political texts and engaged in local debates. Taking his first steps into law and politics, Lincoln studied law independently and passed the bar in 1836. He began practicing law while simultaneously nurturing his political ambitions. Lincoln's entry into the Illinois state legislature marked the beginning of a significant political career. His legislative work showcased his commitment to issues like infrastructure, earning him respect and recognition. During his courtship and subsequent marriage to Mary Todd, Lincoln's personal life intertwined with his political ambitions. Their partnership provided emotional stability, allowing him to further refine his political ideology and objectives. Lincoln's political ideology evolved through extensive self-education and debates with peers. His commitment to justice and equality became central themes, setting the stage for his later, more prominent political battles. As a congressman, Lincoln's stance on slavery became increasingly clear. He opposed the expansion of slavery, viewing it as a moral and political evil, which garnered both support and opposition. The Lincoln-Douglas debate significantly raised Lincoln's national profile. These debates highlighted his eloquence and firm stance against the spread of slavery, positioning him as a leading contender for the presidency. Abraham Lincoln's election as the 16th president was a pivotal moment in American history. His victory was deeply polarizing, reflecting the nation's stark divisions over slavery and states' rights. As president during the Civil War, Lincoln faced unprecedented challenges. Balancing military strategy with political pressures, he aimed to preserve the Union and ultimately end slavery, a task of immense complexity. Lincoln's Civil War strategies were both innovative and controversial. He navigated the conflict with a focus on unity, employing capable generals and leveraging the North's industrial strength to turn the tide. The Emancipation Proclamation, issued in 1863, transformed the war's moral and political landscape. By declaring freedom for slaves in Confederate states, Lincoln solidified the Union's ethical stance and undermined the Confederacy. The Gettysburg Address was a masterstroke of oratory. Delivered in 1863, it redefined American values, emphasizing liberty, equality, and democratic ideals, and remains one of the most revered speeches in history. The Gettysburg Address holds immense historical significance, symbolizing unity and the fight for equality. Lincoln's eloquence in just 272 words redefined the nation's purpose, elevating the war's meaning beyond mere conflict. Re-elected amidst turmoil, Lincoln envisioned a united nation. His plans for Reconstruction aimed at healing divisions, ensuring a lasting peace. His foresight recognized the need for reconciliation and rebuilding the South. Tragically, John Wilkes Booth assassinated Lincoln, cutting short his visionary leadership. His death plunged the nation into mourning, casting a shadow over the newly won peace and altering the course of Reconstruction. The nation grieved deeply, with tributes pouring in from all corners. Lincoln's funeral procession became an outpouring of collective sorrow, reflecting the profound impact he had on the American people. Lincoln's legacy endures, defined by his integrity, empathy, and unwavering commitment to justice. His personal character traits continue to inspire, reminding us of the enduring values that shaped his presidency and leadership.